In this video, I'll be telling you the top 3 affiliate marketing tools which you need in your business, even if you're a beginner and even if you have no money to spend. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So I'm doing this series of affiliate marketing videos where I'm going to teach you everything from start on affiliate marketing, and I'm not going to held back on anything. I'm going to give you all the information, what I have, what I follow in my affiliate marketing business. So in the previous video, I gave you the explanation on what is affiliate marketing and how you can get started with. And in this video, I'll be showing you the 3 tools, what you need to get started for absolutely free. See, down the line, once you start getting results, you would want to go ahead and start using some paid tools. But in order to get started, I'm just going to show you the free tools which you need to promote affiliate products and to get started with, literally. So the number one tool which you need in order to get started with affiliate marketing is YouTube. So you need a YouTube channel that is absolutely free of cost. You do not have to pay a single penny to create a YouTube channel. You just need a Google account and you can literally create a YouTube channel. And you need a YouTube channel to promote the products. So you can see on my channel, I'm putting out a lot of content regarding, I'm reviewing a lot many products, I'm doing these kind of training videos. So you need this tool, YouTube, to start your affiliate marketing journey. And you can create this banner very easily on canva.com, which is again a free tool which you can use. And you can just put in the information. If you have got a blog, you can put in the blog link over here. Otherwise, you can just put your social media links. And it is very easy to create a channel. And what I'll do, there is a training which I have done on starting up with YouTube, that is absolutely free training. I'll link to that training in the description down below. You can just go through the training and see how you can get started with YouTube. So that's the number one tool which you need in your business. The second tool which you need in your business is Facebook. Again, this is a free tool. You don't have to pay a single penny to use Facebook. And I'm not talking about paid marketing, I'm just talking about free organic marketing. So with Facebook, you need to learn how to promote different products on Facebook. And by promoting the product, it doesn't mean that you have to spam your links, say, in your post or in different groups. No, that doesn't work, and do not try to do that, otherwise your Facebook account will be banned. So in order to get started with Facebook marketing, I do Facebook marketing in my business, not to a great extent, but I still do it. My primary platform of choice is YouTube, but I still do Facebook organic marketing a little bit. So with Facebook organic marketing, the first thing you need is a good profile cover. Again, you can create this cover very easily in canva.com for absolutely free. And that cover photo should have a message to your target audience, because on Facebook you are going to put out content that is going to attract your target audience. And once they are attracted to your profile, once they are connected to you, then you can start having a conversation with them, and you can understand their problem, see what problem they're facing, and then you can refer your product to them. That is how the organic marketing on Facebook works. So it all starts with your profile. So you need to have a good profile for someone to connect with you. And then you can put a display picture that should be your own picture. Do not put a picture of your cats or dogs or anything else. So that should be a headshot. It should be a headshot, and your eyes should be clearly visible, because you want to look into people's eyes. And then you can put in the bio over here, and you can put in the link to your offer in the bio. So that's the one way to promote it on Facebook. And again, in the introduction as well, you can put in the link. And this is the featured image section, which you can see here, where I've giving out this free guide. So this is again, you can do again. I've created these images in canva.com for absolutely free. And now comes the question, what you need to promote, how you need to post, what you need to post. So basically you can post different valuable content, like you can see my profile. I'm putting in motivational content, I'm putting in valuable content by doing Facebook lives, and I'm putting valuable posts, motivational post, results. I'm also sharing the result. That is very important. Well, if you do not have your own results, you can share the results of your team members, which are getting results in the program which you are into. So this is how you need to promote on Facebook. I cannot cover the entire steps in this video, as that is a separate video, but I've done plenty of videos on Facebook marketing on this channel. I'll link a video in the description below, where you can check out more about Facebook marketing, as how you can do that. And also, I have recently released a course on Facebook organic marketing, which is Aerial Assassin. You can check it out as well. I'll give a link to that as well. So these are the two free platforms which you can use to promote. And in the previous video, I had already shown you how you need to find the products to promote from a Warrior Plus marketplace. Again, the link to that video will be in the description below. You can check that video out. So from here you can get the product. And the third tool which you need is a screen recorder. Basically what you are seeing, I'm recording my screen as well. So for that, the free tool which I'll recommend is Screencast-O-Matic. So this is a free tool that will help you to record the screen, record your video as well at the same time. So you can check this out over here. There is a paid version as well, but for with the free version, you can create videos up to 15 minutes, which is more than enough for you to get started with. So you can use this tool to create videos like this. What I'm doing, I'm using a different tool, but I've used Screencast-O-Matic, and this is a very nice free option to get started with. So guys, these are the three tools which I wanted to cover in this video, and I hope you got some value out of this video. And make sure you stay tuned on my channel, because I'll be posting out the next video in this affiliate marketing series. And in the next video, I'll be telling you how you can make money on YouTube by doing something called launch jacking. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and make sure you like this video as well. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.